camera right. Hi guys. Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to do a nice simple gel polish design, bit of glitter and maybe some foil as well. So what I'm going to do is I've got here Cosmos, which is a nice pink, and Jungle, which is a really dark green. I'm going to do 2 coats, but I'm going to do one pink and the rest will be green. So I will do this quite quickly. I will do 2 coats. I do like this Cosmos colour, it's beautiful. Such a pretty pink. And this is such a deep green. These will have a 60-second cure. So I'll give my Aliana hand a rest today. And just do some tips. Yeah. I'll do the second coat off camera, so I will give them a 60-second cure and I'll be right back. Okay, so they've now had their 2 coats, and on my palette I have just decanted some base coat and I've gone in with some fine gold, like champagne gold glitter. That's the word I'm looking for. And then I just want to take this glitter and I just want to get it quite opaque around the cuff. And I just want to blend that down a little. Just wipe a bit off my brush just so I can feather that. Like so. I'm going to do exactly the same on what would be the pinky. Like so. And on the ring finger, I just want to bring that down the side. Nothing too fancy. Just feather it out a little bit. Like so. I'm not going to do anything on the pink, but I'm going to pop those in for a cure now. What I am going to do now is just go in with base again, just to now seal in that glitter, and it will also smooth out any bumpy bits. give that a cure again. Okay, that's that done. Right, I am going to wipe off the tacky layer because we are now going to go in with some foil on all of them. It's not a full coverage foil, so get my Evol. I've got this foil here, which is a rose type foil. I am really not sure where I got that one from. As a hazard a guess, it may have been Sparkle Supplies, because there's quite a lot of it, and you get a metre with sparkles. I think that was where I got it from. There's no label on the bag, so I can't remember. So I'm going to go in with a layer on each of these tips. Just real quick. Nice, super quick, easy, beginner friendly design today. Let's get them in the lamp for 60 seconds. I've changed my mind. I'm going in with this one because it's a little bit more vibrant and it's got the cream flower in there, which will stand out more than the pale rose one, I think. So yeah, this is Pink Posy flowers from Charlie's. So what I want to do is just line up where I want this foil to go, and I do want it over the glitter part as well. I think I want to take it, that'd be quite nice, down over that glitter. And down on that. Let's get my silicone tool to push that out. Pretty. I think we kind of need more. Because more is more. Let's go in. Here. Iron those creases out, however way you want to do it. Quite a big crease there. So with your creases, if you just lift it up and then pop it back down, that should, she says, and then you'll just iron out those creases. And we'll do this one as well. Definitely want more pink. Maybe like so. just working that foil in, gently pull away. Let's do that. There we go, cute. And then with this one, if I've got enough left, take a nice where do I go? So that is that set done for now. I'm going to go in with a top coat. It's definitely nice having that glitter just in that background there. Super cute. Seen lots of summery sets about, and I just wasn't in the mood. We have no sun now and it's rained. Yeah, I really wasn't in the mood for anything summery. Just wanted to do something floral because I love florals. Let's give them a cure and we'll see what they look like. There we are, guys. Nice, quick, easy design for you today. Love using foils. It's got to be one of my favourite things to do. It's just, you know, the designs can be endless for you, and they're super cheap to buy. But I love this. I love the green, I love the pink, I love the glitter, and I love the foil. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. I've got a few more simple, easy designs coming up as well. And yeah, see you all in the next one. Please do like and subscribe. That would be amazing. And thank you so much for staying tuned. Bye.